Oh, hi friend. I'm Karen with Quilts Are My Passion, and I'm so glad you've joined me today. Have you ever wanted to quilt but felt confused as to where to start? Don't worry, I've got your back. I make short, fun videos with close-up photography so you can see exactly what my hands and what the sewing machine needle are doing. So there's no squinting or second guessing what you need to do to be successful in your quilting. You'll make fun and simple blocks. I'll have tools and tips on how to use the tools, how to fix common mistakes, and most importantly, how to feel good about what you're making. My whole goal is to help you feel confident and good about your quilting. You don't have to be perfect, just come along and have fun. New videos are coming every week and we're gonna take it one stitch at a time. So hit the like, follow, and subscribe buttons and let's have fun on our quilting journey together. Bye-bye.